Okay, well, we're just going to show you a little video of what our back looks like from the patio window. And our drift has changed significantly since supper, and it's leaning in. We're hoping it don't collapse on Pepper, but I think she'll go into her house. But right over there is her house. But you can't see it, it's buried. But she's probably gonna be, she can get in and out. It is nasty. The wind is blowing. I could open the window door just a little bit, give you an idea. That's what it's doing out there. It's nasty. I wouldn't be surprised if they don't make it a level 3 yet tonight, pretty soon. It's nasty.